This video will go over the VCG software for the Exaddon. First, open MATLAB and type VCG into the command prompt to open the software. There will pop up a display window and control window. Name your file using the format, substrate, name, print make. Set how large your substrate is. Set how large your printing grid is. This is the size of each dot on the grid. Determine where on the substrate you want to print. Choose the 15 by 15 chamber. If you want to print larger, contact the tool trainer. This is where you select your object. These are the objects available through the VCG software. When you click and press Add, the object will be added like so. However, Parameters allows you to change the dimensions of the object. Width X, width Y, and total height determine the of the object in the X, Y and Z. Clicking Preview updates the image. The pitch determines how far apart in the X and Y a new pillar is created. This graphic shows different pitches and pressures in relation to each other. This graph shows the relationship between the pressure and diameter of the voxel. Pitch and pressure are related because your pitch will be impacted by how large your voxel is. Voxel height is the amount the motor moves in the Z direction each time. This is an example of how different pressures will change the object. Press OK when you're done editing the object. Pressing Add will load your object onto the grid. Sorting determines the axis order the part will print. Check to make sure there will be no collisions. If the circle is green, then you're good. Press Show and adjust the display speed for a simulation of how your part will print. The top right of the plane tells how many voxels your part is. You can calculate a time estimate by knowing that one voxel takes around 1.5 seconds to print. Index lets you toggle between objects. The selected object highlight screen. Translate and rotate allows you to change the orientation of the objects on the plane. Remember to manually enter the values back to 0 after they have moved. Generate will export your design into a file to print, but if there is a collision with your design, the circle will be red, like so. To fix this, change the axis print order. Check again and go back to generate when there is no longer a collision warning and the circle is green. Your design is good to go when it is gold. Now you can exit the program. You can find your design file in the Print Files folder. Thank you for watching.